is Alisia Gonzales. I am the Assistant TANF Director with Owens Valley Career Development Center. And this summer, I'm going to be providing 2 workshops that I put together, one of which focuses on how to meet with your participants in the intake process, how to walk through that, how to make them comfortable, how to be confident in what you're sharing, and really just the entire approach with the participant. And then we will be discussing the family self-sufficiency planning, so how to put together their goals for their program, what they hope to gain from that, how to pull more information from your participants, because at times they're coming to us in crisis. They're in a different state of mind where they're not really looking and thinking about, how do I get off of aid? How do I move forward? We're going to be providing different approaches on, again, how to pull out more information from your participants and work with them at the level that they're at and how to move them forward to a different level. Stronger communication skills and listening, because the two do go hand in hand, and we do them on a daily basis. But I don't think that many of us are aware of how we're communicating or how we're listening. Starting with the intake process, as soon as you meet the participant, if you're smiling, if you're offering food, many might have their children with them, we have snacks for you, and just asking that basic, how are you feeling? How are you doing? Because a lot of times our parents are putting up that front, they're trying to stay strong for their families and for their children, but they're in a very vulnerable space, and it takes a lot of personal risk for them to come in and ask for help. So how can we set that tone very early, but then listen to what they're saying. At the same time, your brain's thinking, what can I do to help them? So I'm hopeful that they can come away with stronger communication skills and stronger listening skills on how to help our families. The staff that will benefit most will be those staff that are working directly with the participants, with your families, case management, counselors, and site managers, or the directors and coordinators, those that are supporting your line staff and working with the participants. Because there's times where we as management have to step in and help support either during the conversation or so that our staff can also step away and handle their own personal lives and create that balance. We want to create that continuity for the family. So really anybody that's working directly with the families in some capacity would benefit from these workshops. The Institute has provided a wealth of information. I've been with the Owens Valley Career Development Center for 13 years, and I've attended numerous institutes in the past as a participant. And I've always gained great skills that I've been able to bring back. I've been able to network with other providers and staff from different organizations from across the country. And it's been, again, a great opportunity to ask questions and to see how things are being done in a different area and to meet different people. You feel energized when you leave because you carry a lot of the trauma that we see with our families, and seeing that other people have learned how to handle that or are learning and walking through that process with you is an awesome resource for me as an employee to be able to walk away. So I'm really looking forward to the Institute, and now being on this end as a presenter, I'm super excited to share everything that we do at Owens Valley and everything that I've learned in my 13 years in Tribal TANF.